Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly our contact list, so the numbers which we've got currently saved, and the second is using the settings, let's say. And of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the contact list. Let's open it. So for example in the phone dialer, let's go to the contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers and tap on block. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option before. And as you can see, after tapping on blocked, your device will simply block the number. We can see this characteristic icon. What's more, it is here we've got the information, which means that from now on you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers. But let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the block list. So that was the very first way of blocking the number. And now let me show you another one. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contact. So everything went fine, we just successfully blocked the number. Here in this way, we do not have to have the phone number saved. We can simply tap on add a phone number, and here we can enter it manually, which is quite cool. Let's tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Here at the very top, we've got also the option unknown, and after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block all incoming calls from unidentified callers, so it may be quite useful. You can turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher again, and if you'd like to unblock the numbers, just tap on this X button right next to a particular number. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.